So friends, our today's video is based on transportation in animals. Friends, our today's topic is transportation in animals. So let us continue the topic going on towards the blood. Yes, blood. Blood is the fluid which flows in blood vessels. It transports substances like digested food from the small intestine to the other parts of the body. It carries oxygen from to cells of the body. Friends, this is diagram of circulatory system. These all are the veins that you can see on your screen. In these only the blood flows. So this diagram I have presented in front of you. You can see this diagram and understand. So now we are moving to our next topic. So friends, our next topic is components of blood, in which the first one is red blood cells. In short form, we also say them RBCs. These are the type of cells which contain a red pigment called hemoglobin. This hemoglobin binds with oxygen and transport it to all parts of the body. It will be difficult to provide oxygen efficiently to all the cells of the body without hemoglobin. This presence of hemoglobin makes the blood appear red. So our next topic is white blood cells. The blood also has white blood cells which fight against germs which may enter our body. Proceeding towards the third, that is platelets. These are the cells which forms the clots in our body in case of any injury. You may have observed that if you falls down, you may see the clots of blood on your injury. This clot is happened by platelets. Moving towards our next topic. This is the plasma. It is the fluid part of the blood. Sections of human heart which you can see here are, this is a diagram of the human heart. So let us go towards section of human heart. Now we will study about our human heart, how does it pump and etc. other things. So friends, other topic is heart. Let us continue it. The heart is an organ which beats continuously to act as a pump for transport of blood, which carries substances with it. Imagine a pump working for years without stopping. Absolutely impossible. Yet your heart works like a pump non-stop. Let us now learn about the heart. The heart is located in the chest cavity with its lower tip slightly tilted towards the left. Hold your fingers inward on your palm. So friends, the sections of human heart are, first is ventricle. A ventricle is one of the two large chambers towards the bottom of the heart that collects and expels blood and received from an atrium towards the peripheral beds within the body and the lungs. So our moving towards the next section of heart, this is atrium. The atrium, an adjacent upper heart chamber that is smaller than the ventricle, primes the pump. The third one is vena cava. It is a large vein which returns blood to the heart from head, neck and both other limbs. So the next section of our heart is aorta. The aorta is the largest artery in the body. Yes, the aorta begins at the top of the left ventricle. The heart's muscular pumping chamber is also called aorta. Our next topic is fifth one, that is arteries. These arteries are the blood vessels that deliver oxygen-rich blood or deoxygenated blood from the heart to the tissues of the body. Veins. The next topic is veins. Veins are the blood vessels that carry deoxygenated blood from the tissue back to the heart. Exception are the pulmonary and umbilical veins, which carries oxygenated blood to the heart. In contrast to veins, arteries carries blood away from the heart. So our next topic is our heartbeat. The walls of the chambers of the heart are made up of muscles. These muscles contract and relax rhythmically. This rhythmic contraction followed by the relaxation constitute a heartbeat. A heartbeat is a two-part pumping action that takes about a second. As blood collects in the upper chambers, the right and the left atria, the heart's natural pacemaker, the SA node sends out an electrical signal that causes the atria to contract. So friends, please like, share and subscribe our video. I request you to do this. Thank you. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. You can also watch our other videos like